Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review I want to talk to you about Bolt. Now Bolt is a new product by Team Black Belt, and it's basically a video application that claims to replace multiple applications like Vimeo, Wista, Camtasia, multiple chat applications, all in one software, and then save you an absolute fortune. Now I'm going to go through this product. I'm going to explain to you why I think this is maybe not the best option for you, and also give you some advice on to what kind of applications you can use that are very low cost and very, very effective. So guys, if you're interested in these types of reviews, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell so I can let you know whenever I do new reviews. And if you want to learn how to build a business online using affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process completely for free, step by step. So let's jump in here, guys. Apparently you can host unlimited videos for a low one-time price, no monthly fees ever, zero tech skills and zero experience needed. And basically they're talking about this being a fast application. You get more free traffic and better engagement. You get built-in thumbnail and image design features. You got no more ads or traffic leaks. You take back control of your video traffic and channels, 100% beginner friendly. They're saying you save $1,800 a year here. That's not the case, because obviously you can get various types of software online that do this at various prices. There's no risk. They'll send you $200 back if it doesn't work for you, and there's a 365-day money guarantee. If you do decide to get this, and you know it's completely up to you, there's a $5 discount on this. Just be wary that once you actually go for this $5 discount, you have to go ahead and fill in a code, a coupon, to actually get it. So let's jump into the software. I'm actually going to point a few things out to you here. Now here is the actual Bolt software here. Now anyone who's familiar with my reviews will know I reviewed this exact product yesterday. And this exact product I reviewed yesterday was called Quishio. And this is the exact same interface. They've changed a couple of words here, but everything's the same here. So if I just go back to Bolt, you'll see here are your media resources. It's all of these free stock images. I go back here, 20,000 free stock images. I go to the upload video portion here, and I go back to the upload video portion here. It's all the same software, guys. So this has been resold under the banner Bolt, but essentially it's Quishio. And in fact, if we're really going to talk about what this originally is, it's actually a product called Clipsy, which was released in April. And when I look at Clipsy again, if I just take this off, everything's the same on here. All the functionality is the same. So basically this is just a white label version of something or other that was released maybe even before Clipsy, that these guys have got hold of and just reframed as Bolt. So this is Bolt, and again, you know, if they want to do that, as long as they make it better, fair enough, but I don't believe they have. We go into the dashboard. These are the videos you can upload. Again, you can upload videos here. That's absolutely right. How secure they are in this actual site, I'm not sure, but the idea is once you've uploaded them, you can share these videos by sharing various links. You can use an embed code here, you can have a share link there, and you can have some share functionality here. Now, this isn't free traffic, obviously, because if you haven't got anybody in these social media sites, it doesn't really matter if you share the videos to them, but it gives you that functionality. So this is very, very simple. I am going to give you a low-cost solution for this as well, guys. So you can upload videos, and it does allow you to do a couple of things here. They also say on the sales page there is integrations with all of the major other kind of video platforms, and I can't see anywhere to integrate. All I can see is the ability to download the videos, and that's it. So obviously you'd have to upload it into the other software where you can do that anyway. So if you wanted to upload a video, you come here, you just go ahead and hit here, go to your computer, and allow you to upload, and then it just uploads the MP4 there. No one's saying how much space you'll have on this platform. So that's kind of a little bit of a mystery, but in fairness to them, you can do it here. Now, if I go onto the thumbnail creator, this is just a super simple application to allow you to edit photos. So if you go ahead and use one of their samples, you can edit a photo. You can just come here, you can put text on the photo and all this kind of stuff, and it allows you to add various types of text onto the photo. Or you can do all the other standard things like add shapes. Now you don't really need this because you've got Canva. If you just pop over to Canva completely for free, you've got all of these thumbnail designs within Canva. You just open any of these up and you've got a huge amount of editing that you can do on the side here. Everything in here can be changed, and you just upload this into YouTube or you just download it. So you really don't need to use applications that are like this, that are worse than the free applications you've already got online. So that's the kind of thumbnail editor. Now the video editor is a different application you actually have to go ahead and join. Now, when I join this video editor, they're saying that this is replacing things like Camtasia. You don't have to use Camtasia. Camtasia costs about $200. You can use a different application, which I will show you in a second. But, you know, this is not replacing anything like that. It's super simple. All you need to do is kind of upload your videos here. So there's no way to actually go ahead and get videos here. And all it is then is an ability to, if I just go ahead and plus here, now you can add the two videos together, as you can see here, or you can crop the videos, and that's it. So it's super simple. I can't see anywhere here that you can do anything more like add like graphics to this or text to this. You would have to literally download this media once you've created it and choose a background audio, which isn't actually included on here, as you can see. So if I just download this text on video here, I can enter some kind of text on the video and then choose the background audio that doesn't exist and then press create, and that's it. That's kind of my editor done. So obviously you would then need to add this to your own video editor that is good to actually do anything useful with this. It doesn't even allow me to forward this on to YouTube or anything. It really is a very basic video editor. So that's nothing that's groundbreaking, and again I'm going to show you an alternative to that after this at the end of the review. So the next thing is the media resources. Now all these is zip files full of various types of pictures or videos, and really they're so badly obviously organized that you're not ever actually going to know what you're actually searching for here. So yes, they allow you to have these are all going to be free stock videos that have come with this software, because obviously I've already told you that things like Quizshido, which is 20,000 stock images, they also have exactly the same. So yes, you have these resources, but it's just not needed at all. Again, when you have things like Pixabay, where you can come into Pixabay, you can search for something like affiliate marketing, and it'll give you all of the videos that exist in affiliate marketing. Then you can just go ahead and download these and use these and add these to your video editor. So again, these just aren't needed. A lot of this stuff is just throwing things into a product to make it look more valuable. And the reality is, even for $13, these aren't really needed. Now the screen recorder is really poor. Now it will allow you to actually record your screen. But if I go ahead and share my screen here and then just talk into this recorder, then it doesn't actually record any kind of sound as well as recording my actual screen. Now if I stop the recorder there, this is the recorder that it's actually recorded, and there's nothing else I can do with this. I can't edit this, I can't add it to the other clips. If I go back and, is this actually added this to my account? No, it's not added it to my account. So really this screen recorder is useless unless I download the video, and it's even just disappeared, look. So I'm not really quite sure what the point of this screen recorder is. If you can't actually see your video, or you also can't be on camera yourself, it really is quite pointless. The YouTube tools, I've looked at these YouTube tools. You're supposed to put a video title here. None of these are working. Now I get this error at the end of every single tool. If I go in home there, I come back into my own video, go back to YouTube tools, go to find thumbnails, absolutely nothing there. Animated thumbnails, nothing there. Username checker, nothing there. So this isn't working at all. If I go to the guide, it's just a bunch of videos. Now these videos, if you notice up here, now if I just start this here, you'll see that this says Clipsy up here. You just about catch it in the corner there. Now these are the training videos for the product I showed you that was released back in April. So basically all they've done is chuck those training videos into this product, which again is really poor. And it even says it on these on here, Clipsy. So again, they just cobbled this together and trying to sell it as some latest greatest thing. So the next thing is the exclusive case studies. That just goes off to a different product called Star, and you've got a bunch of case studies in here. Then you have some special bonuses, and you can go to watch again these case studies here. This says Bolt. These the same as the exclusive case studies. Yeah, again they're exactly the same. When I go to help, their help desk doesn't exist anymore. The fresh desk, this is the sign up for fresh desk itself, so there's no help on here. And then I go to Go Unlimited, and it's going to get me to one of the many upsells on this product. So guys, I am super and impressed with this. I think it's just been thrown together. There is no benefit of having a product like this. And here's where I'm actually going to show you something else that you can use. If you're interested in having a low cost option to be able to record your screen and produce videos and even store your videos, this Screencast-o-matic is a great option. I'll leave a link to this in the description below. I'm not going to be an affiliate for this, guys. I wouldn't ask you to pay me money for this, but this is less than $20 a year. So if I just go to the pricing, your product you're looking at now is going to be about $13 on the front end, and then once I show you the OTOs, you're into hundreds of dollars a year. Now you can actually get some solo plans on here, or this is my own plan at $48 a year, but you can get this for $20. If I just log out, I'll show you the actual pricing here. $1.65 for the deluxe and $4 for the premier, and the deluxe is the easy video editor. You can record your computer audio, you can do all of these different things, and the editor, the actual software itself allows you to store multiple videos in the software and also share them. So if I just click on one of these, I'm into my actual editor now. This will actually allow me, once I go ahead and look at the options, I can share this to YouTube, Vimeo, and multiple other sites straight from this interface. So this is a great option for you guys. Again, I'm not going to be an affiliate for this. I've got no skin in the game here. I just think that this is a better option than using something like Bolt if you want to go ahead and start video marketing online. You don't need to use low quality, very poor products like Bolt. So guys, I jumped back over to the sales page because I've said enough on the software itself. I want to jump down to some testimonials. I want to just point a few things out there. Now, these are 3 testimonials that they've left on the page. The first one here is from Tom. Apparently, he was able to get 104 clicks over to his campaigns and make a lot of money. Now, if I actually look at who Tom is, I'm afraid Tom has been on multiple other sales pages, and it's a stock image, and he's all over the internet. So all 3 of these guys, I'll show you as I'm here. I'll show you this guy here, again, a stock image, and I'll show you the lady. Again, she's a stock image all over the internet. All they need to do is copy and paste it into here. So to me, there's no credibility on here. And if you are big vendors like these and you can't even get 3 normal people to actually vouch to say that they've actually used your software and it works, it's absolute nonsense. So this isn't a replacement for Vista, Vimeo, YouTube, and Loom. YouTube's completely for free. So how it can be a replacement for YouTube when the storage on YouTube, and this is really what it's being sold at, is free, I will never know. Loom on the front end is free. Again, they're just picking out the highest prices of these particular products and trying to show that this is for somehow going to save you money, and it's really not, guys. So guys, I jumped over to the upsells, and I said the front end is $13. You can get upgrade 1, which is the unlimited version. This is actually going to be $39. If you take the downsell, it's $29. Upgrade 2 is a done for you version. That is going to be $47 down to $37. Upgrade 3 is a done for you service. That is going to be $197. Upgrade 4 is a chatbot, and that chatbot is going to be $97 down to $47. Upgrade 5 is InstaDrive, $197 down to $97. That's more cloud storage. Upgrade 6 is 6-figure training. That is going to be $39. And then upgrade 7 is the agency and reseller license, which is $97 down to $67 if you take the downsell. I will actually list these down below in the description if you're interested. So guys, as far as I'm concerned, I'm going to give this a 1 out of 10. The reason is just to regurgitate a piece of software from at least 2 reviews that I've done previously. The storage on here, it does allow you to upload videos on here, but it doesn't allow you to do anything else useful with those videos. The issue that I see with things like the video editor is just not good enough to be editing nice looking videos for your audience. And at the end of the day, that's what it's all about, giving your audience value. And I don't think this is going to do it. So I would advise you not to get this. Go ahead and look at the link in the description over to Screencast-o-matic. That's only $20 a year, and you can share videos on that. You can edit videos. You can screen share on that. It's a really good piece of software, and it's a great way to get started with video marketing online. My name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to the channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I release new reviews. And guys, if you're looking to build a long-term sustainable business online using affiliate marketing, go ahead and grab the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and we'll take you through the whole process step by step. I hope that brought value to you guys. Until next time, take care.